Wee flipping heck. Is this quick? Hi everyone, this is Reese's Trains, and this week's gameplay we're gonna have a look at the fastest train in the UK, which isn't the Eurostar, which goes out to Europe. This is the Class 395 Javelin. Although I'm probably not going to be taking a ride on it in real life anytime soon, I thought I'd get on Train Sim. We'll give this train a try and get this train to a top speed of 140 miles per hour. So, okay. Right, that was just all the checks. Let's go for day. What time are we on? Well, it is early morning, you can say, but let's see if I can remember how to do this. We need the day running lights to get it bright anyway. So, doors. I've played on this train many times, but if I can remember how to do it, that'd be a good start. There we go. Let's load the passengers, and let's have a look at the train. Even though it says not in service, but we'll have a look at the train anyway. Now the interior, got to admit, for 2010, it is really nice. I'm liking the interior of the Class 395. Looking very nice. Let's have a walk through the train. I think it's formed of 5 coaches. But I'll just check. Yeah, 5 coaches for this specific unit. And just for sakes, we've got 395013. Yeah, the train looks very sleek. It reminds me of the design of the LNER Azuma, but I know it's a completely different train to the Azuma, even though made by Hitachi, I believe, which is the same make as what the LNERs are. But I think these came out around 2010, I think. Right, let's get to the front carriage. Even though the seat alignment with the windows could have been better though on these trains. That's something I have to watch out for if I do take a ride on one in real life. But 2 sets of toilets which are good and accessible. Right, let's get this train on the road then. So, shut the doors. Another 395, that is, didn't see the unit number, but let's go. There we go, we're going. Acceleration's pretty quick. I don't think it's as quick as a Class 331. I believe the 331s by Northern are the fastest accelerating EMUs in the UK, but these are not far off. We're going under the tunnel in a minute. There we go, we're entering the tunnel. Let's just turn the light on so I can see what I'm doing. I believe this is the route where the Eurostars go as well. And we're now in the high-speed tunnel. Flipping heck, these trains build speed really quickly. We're already at 80 miles an hour. Wee flipping heck. Is this quick? I'd love to take a ride on one of these one day. And possibly in the future as well, the Eurostar out to Europe. I mean, that'd be amazing, personally. We're already now past the top speed of the LNER Razuma, which is 125 miles an hour. And we're not far off 140 miles an hour. Passing a station. Straight through at speed. Now imagine standing outside that station just watching the train just go straight through. We're now at 140 miles an hour. And we're still increasing speed. We're nearly at 150 miles an hour. Let's have a look around the interior then while we're cruising at high speed. Here's the cab. And we're out. Even though it's still early morning. I mean, look at the speed of everything going by. With it still being winter, it is dark early morning. Under another bridge. I have to say, this is the true definition of high speed. Oh yeah, we're coming out of the electric wires, aren't we? So we need to switch to DC, I think. There we go. I think we're going to be coming out of the electric wires in a second, and now it's third rail. Now we're literally speeding through this station. Yep, I can see daylight starting to appear in the distance. That is daylight. Past 700 Thames Link. We're gonna have a look at that at some point. Right, let's pull the train forward just a little bit, and that should be perfect. There we go. So there we are, we got there in the end. So, early morning brew on the Southeastern High Speed line. So, that concludes this gameplay video this week. I'm hoping one day I can try out the Class 395 in real life, because I think it'll be quite fun to have a high speed ride on one of those 395s, those Javelin trains down south. So, yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.